In this lesson, we will look at the standard algorithm for adding decimals. Highlight the decimal in each number. So this is the decimal point highlighted in yellow. Line up each decimal when you rewrite the problem. The decimal in the whole number is always after the one's place value. Insert a 0 in any empty place value. Add the numbers as if they were whole numbers. So notice the two decimals are lined up with the numbers placed on either side in the correct place values. Place the decimal in the sum in line with the decimals in the problem. So when we add these together, we get 2565. Notice that the decimal stays lined up. Two more sample problems. 21 and 4/10 plus 9 and 11/100. Notice when I rewrite the problem, I add a 0 after the 4 so that all my place values have a digit. The decimals are lined up. After adding, I get 30 and 51/100. The decimal point stays lined up in the answer. 72 plus 23 and 95/100. So with this problem, we have a whole number, so we need to write 72 decimal point 00 so that every number has the right digits. And then line up 23 decimal point 96 below it, so my decimal points stay in line. When I add these together, I get 95 and 96/100. Continue these 6 problems, and when you are finished, bring your MPJ up to me to show your work and check your answers.